This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus IntelliJ. Let's dive into their core differences. VS Code is a lightweight, open-source code editor, widely adopted for its flexibility and vast extension marketplace. In contrast, IntelliJ IDEA is a robust, commercial integrated development environment, renowned for its powerful features, especially within the Java ecosystem. Your choice often depends on your specific development needs and the programming languages you primarily use. We'll explore these aspects in detail. VS Code shines with its lightweight design and incredible flexibility. It boasts a massive marketplace with over 50,000 extensions, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your workflow. This makes it an excellent choice for web developers working with JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python, or anyone needing a versatile editor for multiple languages. Its minimal resource usage, often consuming less than 200 megabytes of RAM, ensures a swift and responsive coding experience, even on less powerful machines. IntelliJ IDEA stands out as a powerhouse, particularly for Java and other JVM languages. It offers unparalleled code analysis, intelligent refactoring capabilities, and robust debugging tools, significantly boosting productivity for complex projects. The Ultimate Edition provides comprehensive support for enterprise frameworks like Spring and Jakarta EE, along with integrated database tools. While it demands more system resources, typically over 1 gigabyte of RAM, its rich feature set justifies the investment for professional developers in large-scale environments. Ultimately, your choice between VS Code and IntelliJ depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize a free, lightweight, and highly customizable editor for web development, scripting, or polyglot projects, VS Code is an excellent fit. However, for deep language integration, advanced refactoring, and comprehensive enterprise features, especially within the Java ecosystem, IntelliJ IDEA is the superior choice. Evaluate your project's scale, language requirements, and team preferences to make the best decision for your development workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.